If you love bold flavors and quick meals, this garlic, mushroom, and green pepper stir fry is going to be your new go-to dish. It's simple, spicy, and comes together in one pan. Grab a pan and let's start cooking. We'll heat the pan over medium-high heat. Then we'll add in some oil. Let the oil get nice and hot. Once it's hot, throw in your chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies. I like to add a little salt at this stage, not just for seasoning, but to help the onions break down faster and release their moisture. It speeds things up and builds a flavorful base. Now here's the key. Don't worry about browning the onions too much since we'll be browning the mushrooms later. We don't need to go all in on caramelizing here. Just soften them until they're golden at the edges and move on. Next, add your mushrooms. I personally love a deep golden brown on mine, so I let them cook for a good 10 to 12 minutes. Don't rush cooking the mushrooms. Let them release their water and really develop that rich flavor. Once your mushrooms are looking brown, season with black pepper, white pepper, and either coconut aminos or regular soy sauce. Coconut aminos has a slightly sweet, mellow flavor and is lower in sodium. Soy sauce is saltier and has a deeper umami flavor. Use whatever fits your vibe and dietary preference. Add in some chili sauce, a splash of vinegar, and some honey to balance all of the flavors. Toss in your diced red onions and green bell peppers. Let that cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. You want the peppers to soften slightly but still hold a little crunch. To finish it off, sprinkle in some crushed red chili flakes, a pinch of oregano, and plenty of freshly chopped coriander. Give everything a final mix and you're done. This dish is all about flavors. You'll be licking your fingers. It's that good. Spicy chilies, earthy mushrooms, crisp veggies, and a little tang to tie it all together. It's quick, comforting, and seriously addictive. Share this with a friend that would love it, and I'll see you soon in a new recipe.